Just watch. Now, this is itself. You open it. This is file known as Fisher. This is file instruction, design, missing page, formula, tones, which is data, revision, affiche, aid, PowerPoint, and others. Now, these are your FKs. Escape, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F12. Now, some of you might have cursor, that is, you are using mouse. Some of you might not have mouse. Now, this is what we want to do. For instance, you can write 1, tricks in the set, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just time wasting. You can just come here, click here in this small arrow, drag it. Don't bother about the one, but don't remove it. All you have to do is to come down here and click increment on cell. Increment, you can see that right now. You see it now. Okay, maybe you want to add another thing here. You can just insert another rows. This is column, and this way is known as rows. So in a comprises of columns and rows. Whatever you're working with, I want you to know that it works with columns. You're working just on Excel spreadsheet. It's a spreadsheet, column and rows. Yeah. Now you can come here, for instance, write item. Remember, if you want to type in capital letter, you're expected to on your caps lock here, or you can hold your shift and press the particular alphabet you want to turn to capital letter, that is uppercase. Now we put here price, we put here quantity or unit, and we put here amount. Now, for instance, we have bread, sugar, tea, milk, donuts, flavor, and so on and so forth. For instance, here might be, like I said, the price might be 190, here might be 290, here might be 240, here might be 500, and here might be donut might be 570, and here 625. Now the quantity, for example, it might be, you say here is 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, and you have 23 here. Here, it is not expected of you to come and be calculating. For instance, you put this, you calculate. No. For you, now it's very simple to calculate here. You no longer use your phone or your separate calculator to calculate. Excel is mainly for calculation. Okay. Now, the simple thing you have to do is to press your equals to. Depends where your equals to is. Just press equals to. Once you press it, you click on the first cell, that is the price, then multiply, shift, and your 8, then 2. Have you seen the tricks there? The thing just selected the 2 cells that you're about to multiply. All you have to do is tap here, that is enter. You tap at the enter, and that is it. The simple tricks here is not for you to start calculating here and here. That is multiplying 290 times 6, 240. All you have to do is just to come here, you click and drag. It will multiply itself immediately. No time to waste time. You can click, you will see cell C2, this is C2, multiplied by D2. the same thing here, the same thing here, and the same thing here. For instance, you want to divide, you still just come here, put this, and put your division sign divided by this. You can just drag to get your final answer. You see it? If you want to put it into percentage, it is very easy. You look at here, you put percentage here, very simple. You can easily, you go back, undo. Do you see that? So this is a very simple Excel tricks. You can calculate whatever you want to calculate here. You can come instead of making equals to this plus this plus this plus this. You can just put equals to, for instance, look at here. You are seeing this sign. This sign. Just tap here. You see, it is in sum. You have sum, moyenne, NB, max, min, and others. So once you click here and put your equal sign, you click in this thing. You see where I click? See the highlights now. The thing highlighted sum from E2 to E7. Did you see it? Very simple. Now, in these items, you can just highlight here, come here, and change the background color. Remember, the first color in Excel is not for your font color, it is your background color. The second one that bears an alphabet means your alphabet color. If you want to change your alphabet color, you can put any color of your choice. You don't like this color. If you don't like this color, you can simply go here and as well choose, make your own decision of color and click OK. You see, it has changed. Then you put it in bold. If you want to increase, you increase. Now, you can see something here. Now, if you want to put charts and other things, you go to insert, insertion. Now, these are recommend. This one is known as recommended what graphics. You might not need it. You come here. We have different styles here. Just make your own choice that is suitable to you. You can see it. You can see that. You can decide to go by this. Now, title of the graph. What is the title? You can use the word total sales. You can see that. And in these graphics, you can come here, remove all these lines we are saying here. If you want to remove, you don't like the line, just remove the quadrilateral. You can put etiquette if you like. You can see it doesn't look good. You can put table just to show all this amount. If you want etiquette, if you don't want title, if you don't want legend. So all this we are talking about, let's put it the way it was before. I have restored the lines back. But once you remove all these things, you know that they are all like this. You can as well change all these things. Now, these are the items that are in your graphs. your flavor, your donuts, your milk, your tea, your sugar, bread, and this is selection of all to tell you that these are the items that are contained in your graph. And this is amount, quantity. You can see anyhow you are touching it, the thing is increasing. This is the amount is high, the quantity is in orange color, and the price is in blue color. And this is all. So all this amount, quantity, and price gives you a total of all these things. Is that clear? Well understood, right? If you want to change the style of your graph, you can as well change it to any color of your choice. You can just change it. It is very, very, very simple and very easy. Very simple and very, very easy. Yeah, you can see that. Now we've gone back to our first. I remove quadrilogy. I remove etiquettes. These are what I don't want in mind. You can as well minimize. You click, you drag, click, you drag. Any choice of your, you can as well carry it to any place that you want to. Again, is that you can right click, command de la zone. When you right click, this is known as border. You want to remove border, then you put it to white. Now, look at this. These are all the things you can do. The things you can do with your see that. Okay. Now I want to create another thing here. What exactly do we want to create? Now I want to create just for item and quantity. Just highlight. You see this arrow, this control and shift. Hold your control and shift together. Highlight the next one. Hold your control together and highlight the next one. Control. You hold your control. You guys saw it. You see? For you to highlight a very simple thing like this, all you expected to do is just to highlight your item and hold control, then highlight the second. Now we go back to our insertion. Here, photo charts, histogram, cycle, and all kinds of charts. You can find it here in Excel to beautify your work. Okay, now you see this. You see this one. This one is mainly used, for instance, if you want to, if you are working on your report and you want your report to look very charming and very beautiful in the eyes, this is how you can easily, do it. Okay, now, but this is the one we are going with. You can see, this is the one I am going with. How do you guys say it? Etiquette. You can see when you click etiquette, all those things will come on top. You can see the quantity. You can see 2. You see it has been highlighted. You can see them, right? You have 9, 10, 23, 2, 6, and 8. And all this, when you talk about bread is 2. You see bread color is blue. and this is 2 blue. Sugar color is orange and it is 6. Tea color is ash and this is it. Milk yellow, donuts light blue, and flavor is green. It is very, very easy and very simple while trying to do your Excel trick and other things. So today, we are just gonna stop here today. Maybe next time I will come back with more advanced Excel skill. If you have anything that you're finding it difficult to do in Excel, are you finding it very difficult to navigate through Excel? Kindly let us know. We will bring more and more to you. This is just all we have to offer for today. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and remain tuned in this channel. I remain your baby girl, Christy TV. I love you all. Bye.